Welcome back, everyone. N.R.T. here. So we got another sponsored video from our good friends over at Benchmark Abrasives. Rocking the t-shirt and the hat today. So here's the first box. Got 3 boxes. Gonna go ahead and open it up. Had to build some additional shelving in the ATV shop because wouldn't have the room. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and open the next box. These are Scrubby Nut Industry cleaning wipes. They're very nice, especially as a mechanic like myself. There's many companies that make stuff like this, but these ones are really affordable and they last. Should have, I think, 10 or 11 in total. Go ahead and open the third box. There's going to be some other stuff in the third box. That one. Is that one? Okay. Got a new anvil thingy. Got a 3-inch there. Got a new sticker. And right here is crap. That's why you break those. 200 die grinder grinding disc. Thin cut. So that's basically everything, guys. So huge shout out to Benchmark Abrasives. I've been working with them over a year now, and I look forward to continue working with them. They've been sponsoring me big time. I mean, this right here was like 400 bucks worth of stuff. So huge shout out to them, and I look forward to working with them. And go check them out. Go tell them N.R.T. sent you. Help your boy N.R.T. out and go over there and buy some stuff. Say, hey, I'm buying your stuff because of N.R.T. Until next time, guys. Please subscribe, like, comment, share this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.